Surprise.
Yeah.
Now this one is working. So I can go to the staircase A later when I come back.
Yeah.
Yeah. It could be for the list.
Yeah. Asunt sketty Piettasenristi 7 staircase B.
Yeah. We went straight to the staircase B instead because staircase A was not working.
Yeah.
Oh, no, that's a nice ceiling.
Turned 15 years old. It was nice. Yeah, it was nice. I think the fourth floor is the tallest one. And the serial number is 1955B. And it's going to be inspected next year, 2023.
Oh, it's very interesting sounds they make, these.
Yeah, sure, it's not bad.
May I press the star?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the main floor.
Ah.
Schindler talk about the door rail.
Yeah. Is it fourth floor?
Yeah. But I don't think I need to go there again because it's the same, just a letter A there.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably not. Or it depends if I don't have time later.
Yeah. Is Piettasenristi maintained by Schindler?
And then I think somebody else can press.
Yeah.
Or you pressed last time,
Yeah.
and then I'll press. But there's no floor 0 here. No, there's just the first floor.
No, just 1 and 4. Just 1 to 4.
That was the door open.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's